Hi there, Crystal from Campkins. I'm going to show you through this Apex 194BHS. Let's start with this big, beautiful front window. Dual propane tanks. You've got pass-through storage. These great fold-out steps. This outdoor kitchen with a little mini bar fridge and a nice cooktop. Let's go on inside. As soon as you walk in, your bed, there's that big, beautiful window. It does have a blind on it. You've got lots of cupboard space here above, and you've got space in your dinette. You've got a Dometic propane fridge, so if you like to do dry camping or not at campsites, this is the trailer for you. In here is the bathroom. Take note of a towel hanger, hooks. It's bright, lots of storage. We've got our 2 bunks, a window at each, and you've got plenty of storage in this kitchen. A cooktop, microwave below, furnace, cover for the sink. Nice stainless sink. Lots of space for dishes above. So if you like this Apex 194BHS, give Campkins a call. We'd like to show you through one.